welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this orange and green glitter eye look, so if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm starting off with the Morphe 3502 palette with the shade Orb, and I'm using the Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just popping that right into my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Ablaze from the same palette, and I'm running that into my crease just a little lower with the same brush.
I've been watching you.
Next, I'm taking the shade Heat on an e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just focusing that right on my outer corner and a little lower than the other two colors. Next, I'm going back in with that Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just making sure all of those colors are blended together seamlessly. Now I'm going in with the shade Toast on a defining eyeshadow brush that I got from Dollar General, and I'm just packing that right onto the outer corner. I'm going in once more with that Wet n Wild blending brush that we used at the beginning, and I am just blending all of those colors together. Now I'm going in once more with the shade Toast to re-intensify it. And I'm going in one more time with that blending brush to just really soften out those edges. Now I'm taking Coastal Scent's Golden Avocado, and I am using a flat Wet n Wild eye brush, and I just spritzed it with a little water, and then I'm applying that straight to my lid. I'm going back in with that blending brush and just really marrying those two colors together. Now I'm going in with the Jcat holographic 3D eye topper in the shade Wink Tink, and I'm going to be placing that right on top of the shadow we just laid down, and then later I'm going to be using that same flat eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be blending it in. Now I'm going in one more time with the shade Heat on an e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just redefining that color. Now I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte foundation in the shade Ivory on an AOA Studio F4 brush. And I'm just buffing that into my skin.
I've been watching you.
For concealer, I am using the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer in the shade Ivory, and I'm going to be blending this in with a no-name brand tulip brush that I got off of Amazon. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent, and for under my eyes I'm using the BS Small Tapered Face Brush, and for my face I'm using the e.l.f. Powder Brush. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight, and I'm using another no-name fluffy angled brush. For blush today, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose on a Royal and 9 Nickel Moda Pro Pointed Blush Brush. For contour and highlight today, I'm going to be using the Highlight and Contour palette from Profusion, and I'm using a small contouring brush from Luxie, and I'm using the shade Shade Contour for my cheekbones. And I'm also going to use the shade to chisel out my jawline. Now I'm using the shade Impulse from the same palette, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Unicorn Highlighting Brush, and I'm highlighting the high points of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use the shade Heat with the Wet n Wild Flat Detailing Brush, and I'm going to press this really close to my lash line. Then I'm going in with the shade Ablaze on a Wet n Wild Flat Shadow Brush, and I'm using that to blend out that first color. Then I'm going in with the shade Toast on that Wet n Wild Flat Detailing Brush, and I'm using that to press the color right to my lash line, only on the outer third. For mascara today, I'm using the Essence Volume Curl Get Big Lashes Mascara. And finally, for lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in the shade Toffee Talk. And that's it. If you liked this look, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next video.